Hello and welcome to our weekly review of the financial markets. The sector rotation in favor of cyclical companies faded along the previous week. The news of a super efficient vaccine was released by Moderna and Pfizer. It is all about buy the rumor and sell the news. That said, we now need more details on the timing and logistics. And bear in mind that the vaccine is not the solution. At this stage, it will just be an indicator of the end of the health crisis. Indeed, macroeconomic data show a loss of momentum. Europe and the USA are waiting for a concrete fiscal stimulus. Veto from Hungary and Poland to disburse the July voted budget and €750 billion emergency package put Europe in a more difficult situation. Highly indebted countries need this plan to support the local economies after a not-so-great third quarter rebound. Without that, an already likely recession will be even gloomier. The two countries are waiting for more concessions at the next meeting on the 10th and 11th of December. In the US, Congress resumed talks for a smaller package of about $1.4 trillion that should be agreed before the 11th of December, to avoid a government shutdown. Looks like the same story repeats itself. The increasing number of lockdowns and uneasy political transition put the economic momentum in the US on suspense. Investments, orders, employment, and activity are all on the downward slab. As a reminder, there has already been 2 government shutdowns during President Trump's 4 years in office, one lasting more than a month. We have been advocating in favor of China's growth and positive regional expansion, including the recent trade agreement and wider trade zone. However, surprisingly, over the last 2 weeks, 3 state-owned firms have defaulted on bonds. So far, not a big deal, but something to watch out for this week and further on. So, what else is awaiting us this week? Well, the Eurozone should release a return to contraction in November, while the US is expected to show a slower expansion. Minutes from the US Federal Reserves should also confirm the urgent need of fiscal stimulus. Stay tuned, and until then, have a nice week ahead.